So, hello guys, I'm playing Lazy Wardrobe today. Okay, I gonna play Lazy Wardrobe, and I can win this. I win this game, and then so I need to use myself to make traumatized. I don't care, even I bomb it or blah blah blah. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start playing it, my divas.
Hello? Testing. Hey, you made it through! Welcome to the Lazy Game site, or whatever's left of it. Anyway. So, lazy.
Beat what I'm choosing it. I'm not choosing this. So even Kas Beach. Play this. Okay. Play. I will gonna play this. Okay. So okay, I just played it first. So I need to be less low. I need and this is how to won this game. Okay, I'll teach you my Pokey Wokies eating burger, eating kitchen. Oh, you Pakas Beach, you scare me. So I gonna be her cute score, I guess, because I need her. I made her skin girl, or maybe Sojo. I guess it's Sojo. This one, I guess, and then the kiss. No, wait. I love you so much. The kitty Sojo girl. Oh my god, so very cute, my child. Oh, wait. Hmm. Oh, wait. This Pakas beat. Pakas beat. This is the Pakas beach. This is the Pakas beach. Look at ugly stalker. So, get away from him. Get away. Get away from him. Get away. Okay? Get away from him. Okay. No, Pak. You give me heartbeat. You Pakas beat. Okay. So, I gonna make her skin girl. Who the fuck is this? Who even cares you pakas this? I never listen what you say. You pakas bitch. Shut the fuck your mouth. Shut the fuck. Shut up. I said shut up. Shut up. Lazy, don't listen at this pat asman, okay? Don't listen at this pat asman. Okay, and I gonna wear you organized outfit, okay? My lazy. My cute lazy. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Stop. Okay. The next thing is I gonna okay. This one is who the fuck? Please don't traumatize me. You fuckers bitch. Please. You ugly ass stalker. Please don't eat her, okay? Who this fuck us remains came from? Maybe it's from Suwa or Yuna. I don't know. Where is fuck us? Where this fuck us image from? Shut up! Shut up your fuck us mouth, bitch. Shut up! Shut up your mouth, you fuck us bitch. You ready? And who even cares? Please don't scared my. Huh? Have a nice day. Oh my god. Good ending. So I gonna make a bad ending at part 2, okay? May Pokeball Kiss bye-bye, di ba? Out!